Do you need to allow your users to join their devices to your Azure AD? I'm Mike Rodrick, and in this QuickByte, I'm going to show you how. In order for your users to join their devices to Azure AD, we simply need to give them permission. Let's take a look at where we can do that. If we navigate to Azure Active Directory, and then we click on Devices, and then Device Settings, we'll see that by default, users are not allowed to join devices to Azure AD. This is by design. So if you want to allow them to, you're going to change this selection. Let's see what it looks like without allowing them. If I switch over to a virtual machine, I'm going to open up my settings, and I'm going to navigate to Accounts, and then Access Work or School. This is the normal process of joining a device to Azure AD. I'll click Connect, and at the bottom of this screen, I'm going to choose Join this device to the Azure Active Directory. It's going to want me to authenticate, so I'm going to type in my username. If I can type. I'll click Next, and then of course authenticate with the appropriate password. And I'll click Sign In. And we'll give it a minute to reach out to Azure and attempt to join this device. And I'll say, yes, I do want to join. I agree to allowing my organization to control this device. I click Join, and it fails. And that's because by default, users are not allowed to join their devices to Azure AD. And I'm a global administrator, and I'm not allowed to join this device. So let's fix that. I'm going to close this window for now. We're going to switch back over to our Azure portal, and we're going to take a look at my choices here. As we said, by default, none. I can choose selected, which means I can create a pilot group or a test group, or just allow certain individuals to join their devices to Azure AD. Maybe a certain group of individuals is responsible for that task, or I can choose all, which means anybody with a valid account in Azure AD can join their device. For simplicity's sake and for speed of this demonstration, I'm simply going to choose all and then click Save to apply those changes. I'll zoom back out. Now that we've changed that to all, let's see if it works. We're going to switch back over to that same laptop. I'm going to go into my settings, choose Accounts, and then Access Work or School. We'll click Connect, and then down at the bottom, join this device to Azure Active Directory. I'll type in my username, and I'll authenticate. Click Sign In. I should get that same warning asking me if I'm okay allowing my organization to control this device. I'll say Join, and then we wait. And there you go. You're all set. Your device is now connected to ITProTV demo. So that is how you enable your users to join their devices to Azure AD. This is another QuickByte from ITProTV.